admission of the security for trading platform of exchanges. So it is a listing is nothing but it is a platform for making the exchange of securities, that is buying and selling, and it is nothing but it is the process of taking admission of a security also, and it provides listing. By making listing, it makes the liquidity to the investors, and also it ensures effective monitoring. So listing helps to make effective monitoring to the stock or securities, and also as per listing, so it will make interest to the investors. So while trading of securities in the interest of the investor. Today we will see about the advantages of the listing of securities. What are the advantages of the listing of securities? So yesterday you know about the, so you have studied about the listing, but presently we will see about the advantages of the listing. So what are the advantages of listing of securities? So what are the advantages of listing of securities? So first one, it is a, so listing provides liquidity of securities. So liquidity of securities. So secondly, it provides regular information. So regular information. So by making listing of securities, so you get a regular information. So next one, easy transferability. Easy transferability. So by making listing of securities, you will get a easy transferability. For the public company, it will be easier, but in private company, some restrictions will be there. So fourth one, income tax benefits. Income tax benefits. So by making listing income tax benefits, you will get, and also transparency in dealing. So transparency in dealing, and also sixth one, helps the company to gain national income. To gain national income. So by listing, the company aims to gain national income, and also helps in raising additional capital. So additional capital. If you want to expand the business, so we will require the additional capital. So that's why by listing the companies in the securities or stock exchange market, so it helps in raising the additional capital. So firstly, it provides liquidity to the securities. So liquidity that is efficient or ease with the which are assets or security can be converted readily into cash. So by making leasing liquidity, so provides liquidity of securities, that is easily convertible stocks into or assets into cash. And also regular information. So next one, regular information. By making leasing of securities in a stock markets, so we will get a regular information. So like you will see in the news or in the newspaper, like newspaper, TVs. So some channels are there for showing the companies where it is standing. So where the listings of that company stands. So in Sensex, 30 companies, is it there in the Sensex or Nifty 50? So Nifty 100, it comes under the 1 to 30 companies, that is Sensex, or Nifty 50, 1 to 50 companies, rankings of 50 companies. Sensex rankings of 1 to 30 companies, and also Nifty 50, 1 to 50 rankings, and so on. So regular information we will get or public will get by making a listing in a stock exchange. Okay, next, easy transferability. So as I told earlier, so private companies or public companies shares or debentures can be transferred easily, but in private companies, so there are some exceptions. So like shareholders can easily transfer the shares and debentures, and shares of the public company are freely transferable. So in public company, as well as private company. So in public company, it can be easily transferable. So in private company, there are some exceptions. So some exceptions for transferability. So 1 to 1, it is having some exceptions for the private company, but for the public company, there is no any acceptance. So it can be easily transferred. And also next, tax benefits. So tax benefits, by making listing in the stock exchanges, we will get some income tax benefits. By listing on recognized like SME exchanges, a company can avail numerous benefits from the income tax department, or that is enormous tax savings. By making listing in a stock exchange, so we will get enormous benefits or enormous tax savings by making a listing in the stock exchange. And also next, transparency in dealing. So while dealing in the stocks, buying and selling, there is more transparency in the listed companies. There would be high transparency in the listed companies while dealing, while buying and selling of listed companies. And also transparency helps in reducing uncertainty and wild stock price fluctuations, because of all market participants can base design of a value on the same date. So it is having transparency in dealing. So more transparency in the listed companies, and also helps in the company to gain a national income. So it helps listed company by making the company to the listed. It helps the company to gain a national income in terms of making a strong business development, the business would be strong, then automatically it is a gain for nation, because every person or everyone will have the interest to buy the shares of that company or companies, and also company growth value may change. So by listing, it helps the company to gain national income. So when the national income will be gained, when the business will grow up, and when the business value will grow up, then automatically share price will be increasing. Then automatically shareholders will aim to buy that company's shares. So then automatically company's shares will have more demands. Automatically, when the demand will increases, then the automatically share price will be going towards upwards. So that is in terms of bull. So bull the bear. So bear in terms of downward flow, but bull will be, the share prices will be upwards. In bear it will be downwards. That is downwards. In terms of downwards, it will be trend towards downwards. But in bull stage, it will be upwards. So by these things, it will aim to, or it will help the company to gain a national income. And also next thing, that is helps in revising additional capital. So by listing the companies as a listed company, so if the company aim towards the listing, so like Sensex, Nifty 50, then it will aim to growth. So while growth, the business growth will aim towards the some more growth. So that makes business to have the additional capital for the company to move forward. Like X company is there, it is having one unit, but by making listing, it will be growing, and then that company will aim to have another unit. Then it will aim to get the additional capital. So by listing company, the investors will think that okay, this company will be in the bull stage. It is moving towards upwards. So that's why they will aim to invest. So aim to invest. Because of listing, the company is listed, then additional capital will be automatically will get that. So automatically the company will grab from the investors. Okay, investors will easily and freely invest in that, because they will aim to, so they will think for future. So this company will be moving forward. So that's why they will not see anything. So they will invest it, and also they will aim. That is nothing but they will easily aim additional capital from the investors. So these are the advantages of the listing of securities. So provides liquidity to security, regular informations like in TVs, in newspaper, and also in magazines and so on. This will helps to get, investors can get information, regular information by watching the TVs, newspaper, and also in the magazines. And easily transferability. So you know that. So in public company, it can be shares can be easily transferred, and in private company, some exceptions are there to transfer from one person to another person. Okay, income tax benefits. Some of the income tax benefits would be there, or also enormous tax saving would be there. So like enormous tax saving. So if you have a listed company, you will get the enormous tax saving, and also transparency in dealing. So it also aims to reduce the uncertainty, like falling towards the like bear switch, so downwards. So transparency will be there, like movements forward. So if there is high means, so some transparency will be there. So not like that. Okay. And also helps the company to gain the national income, and also helps in revise the additional capital. This is all about the advantages of the listing of securities. So we have seen the advantages of the listing of securities. Listing of securities. So nextly we will move on to the disadvantages of the listing of securities. So what are the disadvantages of the listing of securities? So some of the disadvantages of the listing in stock markets, that is disclosure of information by the listed company, by listing companies. So nextly, does not control speculation, does not control speculation, does not check malpractices, does not check malpractices, and also companies suffer due to fluctuation in prices, due to fluctuation in prices, and also limited supervision on listed companies. So these are the some disadvantages, and another one is lengthy procedure. So listing is a lengthy procedure. These are the some disadvantages or some of the demerits of the listing of securities. So firstly, we have taken 6 disadvantages. So some of them are disclosures of information by the listing company. So leakage of information from the listed companies. So some of the listed companies will leak or disclose the information to the public, so that they will have they can issue more shares with the high rate of high price. With the high price of shares, they can issue the shares. And also releasing or making. So disclosure of information is nothing but releasing or making information available to the another person or the organization for whom they will disclose, for the persons and also for the organizations. So they will disclose for the person also as well as organization to issue more shares with high price. So this will be the disadvantage of the listing of securities. And also does not control speculations. So does not control trading of financial instruments, and also the involving high risk and also in expectations of the significant returns. Does not control speculations. That is nothing but does not control trading the financial instruments involving high risk in expectations of the significant returns. That is nothing but involving high risk, and also in expectation of high return. So it is the bearish. So does not control speculations. So involving high risk in expectation of high return. So we will have the high risk, but in that expectation, on behalf of having high risk, we will aim to expect a high return. And also does not check malpractice. So unofficially private placements, unofficial premium of new issue. So malpractices like you have seen that releasing or making information. So and also leaking the information negatively. So this is also one type of malpractice. And also making the companies share that it is not good and also it is not useful, and in future it does not aim any profit, or it will not move in the bull stage towards the bull stage. So by making malpractices. And also nextly, companies suffer due to the fluctuations in prices. So this is also one type of disadvantage of the listing of securities. So companies suffer due to the fluctuations in the prices. So share price will not be in terms of straight line. So it will be on bull stage or bear stage, or otherwise bear stage. So it will be in the fluctuation of prices. The prices will not be similar. It will be towards the bull stage or bear stages. So companies suffer due to the fluctuation in prices. And also limited supervision on listed companies. So supervision will be not made or limited to the listed companies. So companies which are listed, for that companies the supervision would be not longer. In simple, they will be made a supervisor. They will make a supervisor. Limited supervision on listed company. So like guiding and also observation observation, and also efficiency and effectively they will not supervise. So limited supervision on listed company. So limited. So they will not guide properly for the listed company, and also observation. Every observation like balance sheet they will not view, and also capital or issue of shares they will not see anything. So only limited supervision would be made for the listed company. This is also one disadvantage of the listing of securities, and also effectively they will not view the company's details of listed company. This is also some of the disadvantages of the listing of securities, and also lengthy procedure. So it is also listed company procedure for making listing. It is a lengthy procedure like eligible criteria, and also time to time updates. So these are some of the disadvantages of the listing of stock exchange or securities. So lengthy procedure. So eligible criteria for making listing of companies, it is lengthy procedures for companies. So like eligible criteria, and also time to time updates should be given to the listed stock exchanges. So it should be provided. The information provided should be provided for the stock exchange by the company. So this is all about the disadvantages of the listing of securities.